haino hai baya brok norok jotono na lam sogo ani channel o tini ang norok ni bagai top 3 business idea to boi phaika baya brok tamke norok tabuk phano business khlainani hnai wan sugoi tongkha hangkai business khlain bo business no khlaikai bisi solinai abono tei norok wan sugoi palmaya songai mania bo business abo hai profitable abo hai norok naitugoi kari mania ang tongkhai o video norok ni bagai belai no special ang nai baya brok aboni bagai norok o video no poila ni simi paithak jora nai di haike norok bujiwi manai tei nongni naituk mani mote no norok belai profitable business manana hnai ang khakau baya brok aboni bagai seng abo haino seng bosor seng wan suklayo bo business no khlainai bo business khlaikai bisi profit dungnai abono tei seng kwbangma wan suklayo kintu manlaya ni bagai seng business khlainani khlaimani yala abo haike sini plan khlaimarok mi sengai thango abono baya brok tini haijorao abono ang norok ni bagai top 3 ekdom nangkukmani business jeta sara jibono solinai o business abo hai norok ni bagai naitogoi karikha tamukhe abo asuk kabang investment bo nangla baya brok nini kisasa investment baino o business no nang seng manana asuk hazar kabang rang sabaina nangya no nang o business no khlai manai abo hai business norok ni thaniwo ang tini share khlainani musungo tei kabangma bororok sini bororok tabuk phano business khlaya kho ba khlaina hnai wan sugoi mania ang tongnai rok ni bagai o top 3 business idea belai no nangana hnai ang khakao baya phatike seng asuk lewoi tongyawoi seng o business tamo abono seng nailaya baya bro number 1 business idea wa tongo kowai dogan baya bro o sangsaro o hai borok apsuk koroi je kwaisa ya borok tabuk nai khe baya brok srai ni simi okra sikala joto kwaisa ya abhai borok ksekoroi kha baya brok aboni bagai kwai dogan baya brok belai no profitable business nai nini low investment by kom khoros bai no o business no seng khlai manai baya brok tamukhe kwai phalnani abo hai asuk building ni dogan nangya baya brok abo hai ke nang kabangma rang sabai nini bai thangni dogan abo hai bon nang tangnani nangya baya brok tamukhe nang abo hai jaga ma nainai je jagao borok kothumo abo hai place kaham naitogoi nang aro kono dogan nangya baya brok nang man khangkai nang aro sar snamoi yakhaba table kaisa berawoi phano nang o business no khlai mano baya brok adike sangnai lainai sini next number 2 business idea abo hungkai tiffin dogan baya brok norok saimana seng jotono nogo maisalayo hayadaba nogo maisalayo haipano seng bazar rogo sini office rogo samong nangai seng thangka hangkai kuno fru seng nogo mai salangya nogo mui thogyangai abo haike seng nokni ongkhoroi mai salangya rok thango tamukhe bazar sodayo thangai seng tiffin rok ma khlailayo sini ok khoimani bagai aboni bagai ang sanani musungo tiffin dogan bo abo hai kaisa belai no labjat abo hai business idea baya brok norok tomungno abo hai kom investment by profitable business naituk tongkha hangkai tiffin dogan bo nini bagai kaisa belai no kaham ba income khlainai jat business idea baya brok obono tongmung no norok kaham kai sohi khlaiman khai orobo nini belai no income kaham manai. Last number 3 business idea ang kabaya proka sa dogan bo baya brok norok kisasa investment bai no norok o business no sengai mana no baya brok tamukhe oro asaga hazar rang sabai o business no khlaina nangya baya brok tamukhe o business khlai thani bo nini extra kuno dogan bo nangya baya brok norok o business no khlaina ni musonga hangkai norok oro kaisa plug pai phano o business no norok sengai mana baya brok tamukhe seng aguli rogo gobuni do phani brok no nugo baya brok abai ke plug pai bazar sodai thangai abai ke stadium rogo thangai mela rogo thangai no brok abai ke phalai kabangma rang aji tong marok nugo tei seng train rogo kasa hangkai nugo train bising rogo abai ke brok tutui no o business no khlai tongo tamukhe ang sanani musongo baya brok norok bo abo hai kom investment by abo hai business naitugoi tongkhai o sa dogan bo nini bagi kaisa belai no business ka hamanga na no o ang tinin rok no share khaimani jeta business idea no norok thangdi riboina di obo hai dogan rok no norok soda solia afro saimana na tei koinane mosongo baya brok norok ani o business idea no sajak khai o video no share khai di like khai di tei ani channel no subscribe khlai na di baya brok tei bo abo hai video kaham srangjaknai videos rok nainani bagai baya brok aboni bagai norok no jotono hambai rinani mosongo baya brok ani o video no nai tongmani bagai